You've arrived in yet another on-time flight. Last year, over 90% of Ryanair flights landed on time, beating every other European airline. Ryanair, for the lowest fares and the best on-time record.
Ladies and gentlemen, Ryanair is delighted on to East Midlands Airport 20 minutes ahead of the schedule, where the lowest timing is 20 to 6. For your own comfort and safety, and for the safety of the passengers around you, we ask all passengers to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please exercise extreme caution when opening the overhead lockers, as items of your carrying luggage may become dislodged during the flight. For those passengers that smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach a designated smoking area well outside the terminal buildings. If you wish to rent a car this evening, Ryanair recommends Hertz are our car rental partners and have rental location inside the arrivals hall. For more information on new routes, hotel accommodation, Ryanair's check and go service, priority boarding and a brand new allocated seating, please check out the website at ryanair.com. Finally, on behalf of the captain, first officer but especially onboard crew, we'd like to thank you for choosing to fly with us. From us on board, thank you and very good evening.